Exercise 575. Distribute candies. Alice has n candies where the ith candy is of type candy type I. Alice noticed that she started to gain weight, so she visited a doctor. The doctor advised Alice to only eat n/2 of the candies she has. N is always even. Alice likes her candies very much, and she wants to eat the maximum number of different types of candies while still following the doctor advice. Given the integral right candy type of length n, return the maximum number of different type of candies she can eat if she only eats n/2 of them. So that was my solution, but let's explain it. Candies types are going to be an array, and each different number is going to be a different kind of candy. So in this case, the output is going to be 3. Why? Because we have n is going to be the length, is going to be 6, and over 2 is going to be 3, and we have this. How many different candies we have? We have 1, 2, and 3. So that's equal the length to the amount of candies. That means that Alice are going to be able to take one of each different kind of candies. In this example, we have a length of, let's do it here. Here, n is going to be candy type length. Candy type is this array. The length is going to be 4, right? So let's write 4 here. And here we are going to store a new set of candy type. The set is this arrange, which is not going to save twice the same number, the same object in the array. So if I save here, if I save this arrange into a set, I'll get this as set as a result. That's going to mean that there is not duplicates in this array. So then I'll get the size of this set, and that's going to be 3, right? The length of this array is going to be 3. So types is going to be equal to 3. N is going to be equal to 4. And then I will return the math mean. I will return the minimum between n/2. n/2 is going to be 4. Remember, no, sorry, 4 is going to be 2. 4/2 is going to be 2, and types is going to be 3. We already calculated. The minimum of these 2 is going to be 2. So I will return 2 in this example. And this is the correct output. And let's run the last example. Here is where we have this arrange. It's going to be full field of 6. And what's going to mean that? Let me clean everything. It's going to mean that candy type length is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll save here 4. And types types are going to be as many different number as there is in candy type. So I will copy that. Remember, in a set there is not going to be duplicated values, so all this just is going to keep 1 6. Then I will measure this set, and it's going to be 1, right? So the length of this, the quantity of types, which is the length of this array, is going to be 1. And then I will return. What I'm going to return? I'm going to return the smallest numbers between 1 and 4/2. 4/2, and that's going to be 2. The smallest is going to be 1, so that's going to be the result. Yeah, let's run it, and that's going to be okay. Yeah, there is some fastest solutions, but I'm not sure if there is happening something completely different. Let's check this solution. This solution starts initializing half. Half is going to be the length, is the same that we did at the end, over 2. So I'll get the amount of candies that the doctor allows it. Then here I'll spread an array of a set of Candies type. So that's going to be the same as we did, and then I will compare the length of this. Oh, that's a cool way to do the size of a set without use size, because we are going to use here an array method, and then half case is the last operation that I did. So that's going to be all for today. See you in the new video. Bye bye.